Here's how to turn off live photos permanently on your iPhone in seconds. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. In the top right corner, tap on the little menu icon. You'll see the live photo icon in yellow, which means it's on. Tap on it to turn it off. Great, but here's the catch. If you close the camera app completely and reopen it, the live photo option turns back on again. To fix this, exit the camera app and open the Settings app. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Camera to open its settings. Look below and select Preserve Settings. Inside, scroll all the way down. You'll see the live photo option. Toggle it on. Now go back to your camera app one last time and turn off live photo again. If you close the camera app and reopen it, the live photo option stays off permanently. And that's it.